Welcome to Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question. Question number 47 says, if Nigeria imports vehicles from Japan, transaction will appear as A. A says debit on Japan's balance of payments. B says credit on Nigeria's balance of trade. C says credit on Japan's balance of payments. And D says credit on Nigeria's balance of payments. Now, balance of payments may be defined as the relationship between the sum total of a country's payment for her imports receipts for countries for her imports and receipts for her exports, when the receipts from invisible and visible export trades become greater than the payments to other countries on invisible and visible imports, then it is called favorable balance of payments. So in this case, our option is option C. It's a credit on Japan's balance of payments. So option C is the correct option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.